Are all milks created equally? Well, the FDA has proposed some rules. The agency doesn't have a problem with non-dairy milks calling themselves milk. In a draft that just came out, the FDA does say the source of these products must be clearly labeled, such as oat or almond. Makers of dairy products, though, don't want them to be called milk because they say it's confusing for customers. But the FDA apparently disagrees. So for more on this, I want to bring in Maddie Cohen. She's a senior regulatory attorney at the Good Food Institute, which is a group that advocates for plant-based products. So thanks for joining us. This is kind of like a debate that has been raging for like 40 years now, right? Ever since the first kind of dairy alternative has been put on the shelf. And when you go to the stores now, you see these plant-based milks right alongside, in often cases, dairy milks. So the FDA is proposing kind of a compromise to this debate. What were the conclusions in this proposal? What is the FDA suggesting should be done when it comes to labeling?
Sure. So FDA's proposal does allow plant-based milk products to use the term milk. It acknowledges that milk is a term that's been used to describe these products for years, and it's one that consumers easily understand. As FDA has found, consumers simply aren't confusing plant-based milk for cow's milk. However, for plant-based products that do use the term milk on their labels, FDA proposes that companies should include statements on the front of the package describing how this product is nutritionally different from cow's milk, despite the fact that FDA doesn't actually have nutritional standards set for cow's milk.
Right, but I think the dairy industry is perhaps sort of arguing that some of these milk alternatives, dairy milk alternatives, often market themselves as healthier than. And so I guess the idea is put more information on the packaging so the consumer can see what they're drinking. This is a draft proposal, though. It's just an idea. What happens next? How does this sort of move forward? What's the process of changing these labels?
Sure. So this is a draft guidance. So it's now open for public comment for 60 days. And then after that, FDA will likely release a final version of the guidance. So it is possible that some changes may be made between now and then. But generally, FDA guidance is taken very seriously by companies. And it also kind of provides a hook for opportunistic class action lawsuits that might challenge a product that doesn't comply with the labeling scheme set out in the draft guidance. So in reality, companies are unlikely to not comply with the draft guidance.
So I know the argument on sort of the dairy milk side, they're saying, hey, people know milk as this one thing. And, these plant-based drinks should call themselves beverages. Why not call these beverages something else? Why call them milk?
Sure. Well, as FDA itself found, milk is the term that shoppers are already using when they talk about these products. It's also the term that they prefer. No one is calling these products oat drink or almond beverage. And consumer research backs this up and actually shows that terms like milk help shoppers understand the taste and the texture and the uses of these products. So being able to use the term milk really is important to consumers. And on the other hand, these new nutrient labeling guidelines are really a solution in search of a problem. Consumers are smart enough to know that different products have different nutritional contents. They know that they can find information about key nutrients on the nutrition fact labels as well.
We got to end it here, though. But I imagine this is going to be one of those talkers that people, discuss at the lunch table or whatever. Maddie Cohen, thank you very much.
Thank you.